stop playing with him.
J.Davinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Got somebody, she's a beauty.
Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove your faux locks. I feel like somebody's gonna ask, so why not help you guys out? It's very simple. There's two methods to doing it, so I'm gonna show you both. I don't know if they're healthy for the hair, but they work. And I have never really had a problem, you know. But if you have a better method, you can leave it in the comment section to help somebody else out, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Let's start off with this one because you can actually see it. But you can see that the hair is already just slipping out. And I just slipped it out. My hair looks fine. Good thing about it is you can use it for next time. But I'm gonna just keep slipping them out. I wanted to keep this one nice. Look at that, so cute. So yeah, we already got the back out. That was fast, it took less than 10 seconds. Another way you could do it is you could pull on the ends. It's like kind of go in the opposite direction of the twist, which is ridiculous. And it takes more work when you can literally just slip them out. Slipping them out is just so much easier. So guys, I would just advise you to slip them out, because what could take you 25 minutes is gonna take you like maybe 3-4 minutes to take out your whole head with no damage. You would just twist the bottom in the opposite direction to loosen it up, and then it slips right out. Let me show you guys how easy it is. Gavin's gonna do it. Pull it out. You can take it from the top and slip it out. Just pull it.
Easy. And hey, look, y'all, I got another crochet dress. So Jazz also made her own crochet locks.
His locks. He's got crocheted locks now. You got a lot. Oh, look at this cool one.
Yeah, let me let these people know. If you think I look tired, I just had a 13-hour workday. So.
Yeah, he was on set for 13 hours. Well, these ones in particular, these were easy to put on. I'll leave the tutorial on how I installed them, but they were so easy to put on, so easy to take out. So we're gonna unravel the bottom, and we're unraveling it so our braid can come out to the surface. Now that we see the braid, we can pull this off. That's how I remove my faux locks.
Got him twerking with me in his bitch.